village were thinking, why is he carrying this lamp while he is blind? But anyway, he kept on carrying this lamp every night when he goes out. So one night, when he was traveling in the road, he happened to meet these travelers. And these travelers asked him with mocking questions. These travelers said, "Hey, blind man, why are you carrying a lamp? Well, you cannot see. You are blind, remember?" And they all laughed and mocked him. Ha ha ha, this blind man is crazy. But then, the blind man just answered very calmly. "You see, I am carrying this lamp not for myself to see the path where I am heading, but for you to see that this blind." So what is the moral of the story? Do you know? There is respect. Even though he cannot see his way, what he was thinking was that the people that could see him would not bump on him, would avoid collision with him. So naisip niya pa rin yung kapakanan ng ibang tao rather than by himself. So yun katawag natin na respect. But did you see? The travelers did not respect him. And they all got ashamed of what they did to the blind man. Kasi imbis na tulungan siya, have empathy on him, hindi nila yun nagawa. Tingnan nyo, even the man is less fortunate. Still, he carries this virtue of respect. Good morning, everyone.
PLE-EBL Department, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga advisors, mga estudyante na nakisa sa ating cooking contest noong nakaraang August 29. Yun ay pakikisa ng TLE Department sa larangan ng Pilipino. Salamat din sa mga utility at sa lahat ng mga non-teaching personnel. Ngayon po, eto na yung excited na bahagi. Tinatawagan ko po ang aming mahal na principal, assistant principals to be with me here to give the certificates. Sir Jesse Chabare, Ma'am Jane Daguhoy, Sir Aris Subitran. Okay, Sir Ray Barcelona. Okay, narito po ang mga section na nagkaroon ng karangalan sa grade 11 and 12. Okay. 11 ABM, Honey Glazed Chicken. Okay. 11 ABM, the champion in the grade 11 and 12. Advisor or students. Second, 11 Yung Swan. Get ready. Second, 11 Yung Swan. Street staff in CC. Third, get ready, 12 plus 2. Okay, 12 plus 2. Chicken pastil. Third place. Chicken pastil. Grade 9 and 10, get ready. Third place. Third place. Tubo bangos dinadakan. Dinakdakan. Third place. Talong sa ginataang santol. Okay? 9 SSC and 10 diamond. Nilasadong sibuyas. And the first place goes to 9 prizes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ala, wala pa nga. At takwa mo na.
And the first place goes to 9 prizes. Ready. 7 Dahlia, 8 Nemelina, and 8 Ipil. Get ready.